Hi, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. My name is Lauren, and today I'm very excited for the recipe I'm going to share with you. I'm going to be showing you how to make frozen peach bellinis, and we are going to be making them in this Granita machine. So this is a great recipe for bars and restaurants to create a delicious, refreshing drink. So I'm going to be making this Granita with our peach bar and smoothie concentrate. These are one of our newer products on the market, and we have over 10 flavors already, and we have many more to come. They are packed full of fresh fruit, preservative-free, shelf-stable even after opening, and not to mention absolutely delicious. And if you are at home and you want to make this recipe, you probably don't have a Granita machine. That is totally okay, you can still make it. All you'll need is 3 fluid ounces of the bar and smoothie mix, 1 ounce of wine, sparkling wine, whatever you have on hand, and just add ice, put it in the blender. And there you have it, a delicious frozen peach bellini right in the comfort of your own home. Let's not waste any more time because we're making a party-sized batch of these frozen peach bellinis. So the first thing you'll want to do is remove the lid of your Granita machine, and you're going to take 72 ounces of sparkling wine and dump it on in. And then you're going to take 1 750 milliliter bottle of our peach bar and smoothie concentrate, and we're going to dump this on in too. All right, I'm going to pour this right in the middle very carefully. We don't want anything to splash as we're pouring it. We want to make sure we get all of our smoothie concentrate mixed in with the wine and not on the side of the container. All right, let's put this lid back on and get this frozen. So let's turn it on. Let's get this to the frozen setting. Get the wheel spinning and get everything moving around. And there you go, we're good to go. Now we have to wait. So this usually takes about 30 minutes with our machine. Other machines might be an hour, so just keep an eye on it. Once it's nice, fluffy, and slushy, you'll know it is time to drink it. All right, we're back. It's been about 30 minutes and our frozen peach bellini, it is done, and it is time to give it its first taste test. So let's see how it is. It looks delicious. Beautiful. Nice and frozen, ice cold. I'm also gonna garnish with a nice little slice of peach here to make it look extra beautiful, and we need a fun straw. This is a fun drink. It deserves a fun, spendy straw. Let's pop it in. Cheers, let's give it a drink. Wow, absolutely delicious. I can imagine myself sitting at brunch on a hot summer day, sipping on one of these, eating my breakfast. Absolutely such a great drink for the summer. I mean, honestly, any time of the year, but definitely the summer. So I hope you give this a try, whether you're making it in your restaurant or bar, or you just make the recipe at home in your blender. You will not be disappointed. So thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, be sure to let us know in those comments below. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button. That way you'll never miss any new recipes like this, tips and tricks, or testimonial videos from our amazing customers. Also, make sure to follow us on social media. You can find us as @Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Cheers, see you next time.